Good afternoon, sir. My name is Patricia Diana Escalosa, your student nurse for today from our Media of Fatima University. So, for today po, just check your chart po if you have any schedule for today. So, as for today po, you have schedule po for transferring bed to a wheelchair po. So, before that po, I will just sanitize my hand and now I will now put gloves. Okay, so for today po, I will be transferring you po from your bed to a wheelchair po. So, let me know your name and date of birth po, please.
Marvin Petson, born December 12, 2006.
Okay, thank you. Let me just check your response for confirmation na po. Okay, thank you. So, for the next one, I will be providing your privacy po by closing all the curtains po. So, essentially, all we'll be doing for today po is look at everything as well. Okay, for the next one, I will be arranging the wheelchair po here po. So, sa iyo po para po yung hirapan. Okay. At now, since wala po mo tayong pakalamit ng bato, I will be elevating your head by the use of a pillow po. Sa pillow. Okay. Just add pillow under your head po. Put your head. Okay. Thank you. So for the next one, I will be removing the lock from the wheelchair po. I will be locking the wheelchair po. Okay. So for the next one, can you please turn sideward po to me and look for me po. Roll up. Okay. Just like that. And can you please put down your right leg po. And can you please swing it up. Okay. Okay. As I count on here po, I will be helping you lifting your body po so you can sit po properly. Sa you. Okay. So, you can now arm your one leg and as I count on here, you will lift your body po. Okay. One, two, three. So, nakuha po kayo? Nahihilo po ba kayo? Okay, little LP. Okay, let me just put your slippers on. So, for the next one, can you please move forward into your bed edge po? Just like that. Yes, thank you. For the next one, I will be putting the glove inside your waist po. This prevents you from falling po. So, let me just lift your both hands. I will just lock here in like that. Okay. As I count 1, 2, 3 po, then I will lift you up po sa pag-video. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, can you just look here? Can you just look closer to me? be removing the black po. So, I will get the bag po. Okay, need to okay na po, sir. Okay, now I will now remove the gloves po. Now, sanitize mo na again to prevent cross-contamination. Okay, for the next one, thank you for your cooperation po. Do you feel comfortable na po, sir? Okay, thank you. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Patricia Leana Espinosa from Arlington University. So, I will be your student for today. So, let me just check your schedule for today. So, as for your schedule for today po, meron po kayong schedule from, I will be transferring you from your wheelchair po to your bed po. So, I will just sanitize my hand po before we start and then I will put gloves. So before we start transferring from your bed po, let me know your name and date of birth po, please.
I'm Marvin Lawrence Piazza, December 12, 2006.
Okay, let me just take permission to check your scan for confirmation. Okay, thank you. So, I will now provide your privacy po by closing the curtain. So, rest assured that all the information or all the things you will be kept within the same po. So, for the next one po, I will be really close to your bed po. Okay, so for the next one, I will just, let me just put it down, put it up. Do you feel comfortable? Okay, for the next one, I will be putting your gate bag po. So, you can just leave your hand. So, I will give you once again po. So, you can just up. This one, okay. Okay, as I got 1 to 3 po, I will help you go to lift you up and transfer your top. So, stand po as I count 1 to 3 po. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so mag-transfer the bed po. Okay, sit po. Okay, I will now remove your slippers po. So, I will now also remove your makeup. Okay, before you lay in your bed, I will just put a pillow on your toe so you feel comfy. This okay, now I will now lay you down po by assisting you. Okay. I will now relax now. Okay, do you feel comfy, sir? Okay, that's all for today. Do you feel comfy po? There's any problem with your bed? Okay, and now, I will now remove my glove you po if you have any problems. So thank you and rest.